Adding printers is an essential step that must be completed before Vision Connect can monitor your devices. The printer agent lets you onboard printers individually or in batches to streamline and simplify the process. Before you begin, there are a few critical steps to complete. First, download the FreeFlow Vision Connect software release notes and check that your printers and print servers meet the minimum system requirements. Perform updates if needed. Next, determine where to install the printer agent based on the type of print server and location of your printers. If you have a standalone Fire Print server-driven printer, install there. If you have a FreeFlow print server, Fire integrated, or a Xerox integrated-driven printer, install on a standalone PC. If you have multiple sites, the printer agent must be installed local to where the printers reside using either scenario 1 or 2. Next, download the FreeFlow Vision Connect Printer Agent Installer. A shortcut can be found on the Fire Print Server desktop or by scanning this QR code. Double-click to initiate. After the installer executable is done, double-click on the Printer Agent icon. Select Set Up Auto Find to add multiple printers at once. If you're only adding one printer, select Set Up Printers manually. The application will prompt you for a few pieces of information. If you don't use proxy settings, select Skip. Next, configure your SNMP settings and let the application know what print servers you use. Enter your print server username and password, then select Login. The printer agent is now ready to auto-find all applicable printers on the network you identified. The next screen shows all the printers ready to be added in Vision Connect. If you don't see all your printers listed, select Find More Printers to modify your settings and repeat the search. If an issue was identified, that will be shown in the printer status column. Simply select the fault and the application will guide you to the correction needed. The green check marks mean you're ready to move on to the next step. Click Register to proceed. This screen shows all the printers that are ready to be added to Vision Connect. Click Add Printers to FreeFlow Vision Connect application. Log into Vision Connect using your administrator credentials. Your printers are now registered. Click Access FreeFlow Vision Connect application, and your newly added printers will now be visible in your Vision Connect dashboard.